Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to take a screenshot on your Windows 11 laptop. So, I'm opening my browser, Microsoft Edge. Then you can see here there is a file opened, and I need to take this section screenshot only. So, how to do that? It is very simple. Simply press simply press Window key and Shift key, then S key at the same time. Three keys like Window key, Shift key, and S key. We are pressing that right now. Then you will get this pop-up. Then you can see here there is an option of snipping area. Click on that. Actually, it is the screenshot area. So there is multiple options like rectangle, window, full screen, and freedom. I'm always selecting rectangle for a particular area. So click on that. Then you can see here option of mouse pointer on this area, and just click left click, then drag the area. Okay, like this. Selecting this area, selected, then you can get this pop-up. That means this image is saved. So how to open this image? It is very simple. Close this application, and also you can close this notification. Then go to Windows File Explorer, then go to Pictures. Then you can see option of screenshot folder. Open that folder, then you can access the screenshots. So this is our screenshot. Open that, you can see here this is our screenshot. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.